Hey y'all, welcome back to another edition of Eat with Fefe. Guess what we're doing today? We are going to do some lettuce boats, wraps, burgers, whatever you want to call it. Let me tell you what I did. I cooked my hamburger meat, or my hamburger patty, like that. So I could put it on my, hold on. Alright y'all, I'm back. I would like to say thank you everybody for coming, even the new subscriber. I appreciate you coming and supporting your girl on my channel. We are at over 1,100. So yay us. Today I just wanted to do something real quick. I want to do a lettuce wrap, lettuce burger, something like that. So I cook my meat like this and put that on there. And I got pretty much everything you put on a burger. So we're going to do it like this. And these are actually butter pickles. We got some sauteed onions. Hey, quail eggs. What you think about that? I thought that would just be fun because they're small. Tomato. A tomato. I guess we need to cut that in half. Let's see how we're going to do this, y'all. Then I got some avocado. Avocado. Well, they didn't want to stick around, did they? We took them in there. These are just hearts of romaine. Okay. Oh, we need some sauce, y'all. I got this Greek yogurt style. Big. Ooh. I just be grabbing stuff. Let me taste it. Okay, we can work with that. We can work with that. Okay. Oh. Shit. Hold tight, y'all. I have to put that up there. I gotta watch that. Okay. So, let's get into this, y'all. Let me show y'all what we got here. What we got. So, I wanted to put a top on it, but I guess we'll just eat it like this. I guess I gotta make my meat a little skinner. I'll work on that. So, pickles and onion. That's what's up. So what did y'all grab to eat with me? You want to tell me in the comment section? Patty kind of thick. And with the patty, y'all, one thing I did was I diced up some green and yellow, orange and red bell pepper, a little white onion, and mix it all together. But I don't use ground beef, and I can now know why I tip and mix my meats. Give it more flavor. We can call this some beast mode. I'm gonna take that. Hamburger over there. It's just too thick. And yep, that's my fault. Just too thick. Too much meat. My avocado's still hanging in there with me. I have no cheese on it. So yesterday was Cinco de Mayo. Today's Monday. I had a good productive day at work. They wanted to. An interesting day. At the last 2 hours before my shift was up, I had a patient who wants to go home now. He don't care about the care plan. He want to go home. So we call it AMA, Against Medical Life. Okay, no problem. He needs some of my equipment. Okay, no problem. We can do that. That's what he wants. That's what we do. I set it all up to be delivered stacked. I gave him the option to where either he can wait for his family to bring that particular portable piece to the hospital, another quad leg, or he can take one of ours and we just have the vendor pick it up. See all that? That's the bell peppers. So both options was on the table. So he had one in his room just in case that's what he wanted to do. He didn't want to wait for the other family member to get us the equipment. So I'm headed home. The case manager and called the vendor and asked the vendor, do they think they could stop by the hospital before they do delivery to his home to drop off some equipment? Baby, you bold. You real bold. You real bold. Now, I'm literally in my car. My cell phone rings. It's the vendor calling me. I tell you what, these people never cease to amaze me. Never cease to amaze me. I believe all my patients are VIPs. But those unusual, every once in a while we do some unusual stuff. But that's if, you have some patients who are so sick, they know they're getting ready to their demise, and they just want to be at home when they do it. Whatever, we'll throw the whole purse at you. But because you too lazy, or your nurses are too lazy to walk to the corner closet and get the patient a piece of equipment. You want somebody to drive up, honey? Oh, 2-3. Oh, 2-3. Until I reroute the driver. And we're talking about 75 miles, y'all. You need to take 5 minutes to go to that closet. Or the patient can wait hours for that driver to reroute himself and get to the hospital. Please. And don't get me wrong, the vendor will do it if we're authorized to pay for it. Please. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not wasting money like that. You've been knowing this man been wanting to go home all day. You gonna wait to the end of the day to make requests in? Nope, nope, nope. Well, there's a great probability. What wound up happening is they let the patient go. But they let the patient go. His equipment gonna run empty. And traffic is bad at this hour. And then on top of that, the driver has to make sure the home can accept the equipment, that it's not going to suck out their electrical power and all that kind of stuff. A whole lot of different factors. Because the delivery guy might deliver the equipment, and guess what? The patient's house can't accept the equipment. And then what you going to do? Patient don't want to come back to the hospital. So if they can't drop the equipment off, test to make sure it's safe. And you let the patient go before. No, you can have a dead man walking. Look. Another patient probably cutting up. But you know what? It's crazy. It's so crazy. I made my meat patty too big. But, you know, that's what healthcare is, don't it? Well, that's my rant for the day, y'all. All right, y'all. That's it. Let me know what y'all eat with me today. Y'all have a good one. Bye.